Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change date and time in your Motorola Moto E22. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Motorola Moto E22 and you are looking for how to change date and time. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click this gear icon, which is a setting icon, and you scroll all the way down, and then you're going to find here something say system. After click over system, you're going to find here something say date and time. Now if you decide to set manual date and time, you need to turn off this set time automatically. You need to make it off, and now if you decide to change your phone date, you can easily choose. If you decide to change your mobile time, you can easily set. Now if I go back, we will see now my phone is appear new date and new time, which is really quite interesting. So within this simple way, you can easily change date and time in your Moto E22. But I will suggest you let's turn on automatic GPS, which will help you if you are London and you went to Dubai. In the same time, whenever you went to Dubai, your phone going to be appear that area local time, which is quite pretty useful. So if you want to do that, you can go again here, settings section, scroll all the way down, click here system, and go here date and time, and you can set time automatically. Click here use network provided time. So within this simple way, you can easily change date and time in your Motorola Moto E22. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.